It seems that the 14th of June 2026 is rather important. What we've just discussed on YouTube is our signing, right? We are from now on signing our packages so you or pacman, right, knows the packages are coming from Erik's computer. The other thing is an idea we just recently got, right, but also deployed. There is now on your system, in your future system, and if you're rolling, right, if you're rolling, you need to type sudo. Well, first of all, you need to update everything, make sure that happens. And then sudo pacman -s, here it comes, nothing. Sudo pacman -s, the kiro-assistant is something new. We are giving you an AI assistant, kiro-assistant. And it lives on your machine and it can help you, right? You can have lots of websites. We've done that. ArcoLinux 5, 4, 5, 6 websites. We can make a wiki. We can do that. Claude can do that, right? Write a wiki. But what if there is an assistant on your computer where you can ask how to burn a USB? I'd like to do this and this and that. Is there a video on YouTube about it? He just made a count this morning, 5,800 videos, right? I said, okay, start with the videos that are present on the website. Those are curated, those you should see, right? Then look at all the packages with the YouTube videos with Kiro, capital Kiro. Then later, a small Kiro. And then later, let's not include ArcoLinux packages, but basically they're the same, right? If I explain Rofi here or there, it's the same Rofi, and it's the same config, similar configs, but often it's a workflow thing. Education is common sense and systematic analysis, workflow tools. And that's all what ArcoLinux already has, 4,800 videos, right? So yes, don't skip it because it just says ArcoLinux in front of it. So we have this kiro-assistant that you can now install. And like it says here, let's just kill one of those two. I'm still waiting for the number 4 release, and then I can build the ISO, and then number 14 can go online. There you are, right? So that's basically the last version for now, for today. It says kiro-assistant installed, run kiro-assistant, or go to the menu, no menu here, right, to ask Claude about Kiro. And this package will become huge. It contains right now already all the information it has from YouTube. So rather than going to the YouTube search, which is valid, right, we now rely on all the descriptions, tags that he already gathered to assist you and help you, and hopefully, right, also direct you. That's a video can look, that's a video can look, etc., right? Your personal assistant on your computer system. Claude, of course. So, kiro-assistant is something you just type or open up via a menu, and look where we are. Local share kiro-assistant. So this, your personal assistant will grow, change over time. And that's certainly a file that would keep safe, right? If you switch between distros, between installations from Kiro, keep that safe, right? Make sure you make a tar.gz, a zip file from it, and put it back, because it will acquire more and more and more knowledge over time. And the package I provide will grow bigger, which is in user share, but yours will be different from all the others. It's a personal kiro-assistant. You ask it questions, it will learn, it will code on the internet, it will have so many applications, you'll be amazed how Claude can actually assist in learning to cope with Linux, right? To understand how everything functions. So this is really a selling point, and it's on the 14th of June. Seems to be a good release date. So guys, just ask it everything you want to know. How to burn Cairo to USB. It's just a video I just made, 102, right? Use Minstick is our advice. Install Minstick. It's not already present. It is present. Open Minstick, like make a bootable USB, etc., etc., right? Don't use Ventoy, a tip. Don't do that. Chain loads the ISO instead of row writing it. Some users have already proven that it doesn't work. Want me to check knowledgevideos.md for a video walkthrough? Sure, yes, just yes or Y is enough. So he knows, yes. And there's this vast amount already of videos that we have. And we have made two, it seems, one with DD. So that's basically the Linux thing, and I've never been a fan of DD. Control-Alt and comma is it here? Is it here? I think. Voila! I pop in a drag, basically a drag an ISO to here, and I click on the USB stick. Of course, it needs to be in there. And all right, been done doing that for the last 10 years. So voila! We give you an AI assistant. Join us in that particular field. It really is a great tool, and to have a assistant. Really, it really is a correct term, a Cairo assistant. It will assist you in so many ways you still do not know yet. All right, cheers.